Adventure, swapping out a microwave. So I looked online to see what it might be. I don't think it's the diode, and I don't really want to mess with any of the bigger parts that could shock me and kill me. So I think what I've done is I've enlisted the help of my 11-year-old helper who's over here. You can't see her in the dark because I'm in the studio. I guess I could walk. Yeah, here we go. So here's my helper, Bianca. Hi, Bianca.
Hey, guys.
And what we did is we went online and did the video. We went to Lowe's and we bought almost an exact, well, they didn't have an exact duplicate. All they had was stainless. So guess what we're going to have to do now? We're going to have to upgrade all of our stuff to stainless. So the first thing we did was I sent the 11-year-old up this ladder right here. And then we pulled out the old microwave right there, and then we got our handy dandy Box O Lowe's model. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox that sucker, and we're going to put it in. And they're both GE, so hopefully this is going to be a successful swap. So I'll cut out right now, and then we'll go back to actually doing it. Okay, I'm probably just going to cut off the sound and do this, like, I'll film it and then I'll play it really fast. Okay, so this is us taking it out. You guys don't need to see that. On those TV shows when they do like home renovation and stuff, that goes really fast. It doesn't go really fast. I'm going to speed up the video so that I don't bore you guys. But the next thing I got to do, this is the same exact kind of, well, not the same exact, this is the same manufacturer of microwave, and their holes are in different places. So now I got to take this template thing right here. Now I got to figure out where to put this. I got to cut it out, I got to tape it up to that thing, and then I need to drill with a 3/8 bit. So we'll probably cut. I don't really want to bore you with me taping the dang template up there. So much pain and gnashing of teeth. We have one each installed stainless steel microwave oven. It was extremely painful, and the only thing available was stainless steel, so now we're going to do a slow conversion to stainless steel. Yay, us. Man, I just don't think that could have been more painful. The holes and the template. Maybe operator error, probably operator error, but dang, that was a pain in the butt. So now I got the cleanup. So crap all over the place. I got a drill. I've took out all the cookbooks, so they're all, of course, stacked all over the table. But project complete. Yay! So I can clean up. I can go to sleep, and I can just gouge myself on turkey tomorrow, because signing off.